In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change board backgrounds in Trello. A fresh background can make your board easier to read and more enjoyable to work in, whether you prefer a clean, solid color or a photo that reflects your project's vibe. Here's how to make the change smoothly and pick a background that works for you. First, open the Trello board you want to customize. Once you're on that board, look toward the top right area of the screen. Just below your profile icon, you'll see the three dots that open the menu. It may be labeled Show Menu. Click that to expand the board options. In the menu that appears, choose Change Background. This takes you to the background picker, where you can decide what the board should look like. You'll see three types of choices. Colors gives you a range of solid colors. This is a great option if you want maximum clarity and contrast. Pick a color that keeps your lists and cards easy to read. Mid to dark tones often help text and labels stand out, while very bright colors can feel busy if you collaborate for long sessions. If your team uses multiple boards, consider assigning different colors to different workflows to make them instantly recognizable. Photos lets you browse or search images, powered by Unsplash. Use the search bar to try themes that match your project, like nature, architecture, or subtle textures. For readability, choose images with gentle patterns and consistent tones, and avoid high contrast or text-heavy photos behind your cards. Trello applies a slight overlay to preserve legibility, but picking a calm image will keep your cards and labels clear. Custom allows you to use your own imagery, subject to your plan or workspace permissions. When selecting a custom image, aim for high resolution so it looks crisp on larger screens, and check that the main subject sits around the sides or corners so your lists don't cover it. Be mindful of brand guidelines if you're using a company asset, and make sure you have rights to the image. After you've made your choice, the background updates immediately on your board. If it doesn't feel right, simply return to Change Background and try another option until the look supports your workflow. Keep accessibility in mind for shared boards. Prioritize backgrounds that keep text, due dates, and labels easy to spot for everyone. That's all it takes to refresh your Trello board background. Enjoy your new look, and happy organizing.